Thank you.
Mr. Cosby's doing great, and Mr. Cosby knows that God is watching over him.
God is watching you, and God is watching you from a distance. From a distance. Oh, poor little baby. Are you gonna go to jail? Are you gonna go to jail? You fucking scumbag rapist. Look at this clown here. Look at this idiot.
He knows that these are lies. They persecuted Jesus, and look what happened. Not saying Mr. Cosby's Jesus, but we know what this country has done to black men for centuries. So Mr. Cosby's doing fine. He's holding up well. And everybody who wants to say anything negative, you're a joke as well. Thank you.
Well, buddy boy, you just compared Bill Cosby to fucking Jesus. And you know what? You just said America has been doing all kinds of stuff to African Americans. You're a fucking disgrace. You're a crybaby. Your client got fucking reprimanded like he should have been 20 years ago. The guy's a scumbag. You defended him. You're a fucking joke yourself. And Bill Cosby, get ready to take them Jell-O pudding pops up the ass, because I have a feeling that they're going to mandate you to take at least 4 or 5 pudding pops up the ass daily. Yeah, well, you all want a Jell-O pudding pop? I got me a Jell-O pudding pop now. Well, Theo, hey there, Theo Huxtable. I'm Theo Huxtable, Cliff Huxtable. Yeah, Cliff Huxtable, huh? My name's Cliff Huxtable. I thought I was some kind of beast now. I'm going to go to jail. I wouldn't be surprised if that clown hangs himself in his cell because he's a fucking loser scumbag. Rotten hell, you fucking scumbag.